Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon on a griddle. First, ensure your griddle is preheated to a medium temperature, ideally around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This consistent heat is crucial for even cooking. Next, carefully lay your bacon strips in a single layer across the griddle surface. Avoid overlapping them, as this allows each piece to cook uniformly and achieve that perfect crispness we all love. Get ready for some amazing griddle bacon. As your bacon cooks, you will want to flip it occasionally using tongs. This ensures both sides cook evenly and develop a beautiful golden brown color. The total cooking time typically ranges from 8 to 12 minutes, depending on your desired crispness. Remember to adjust the heat if the bacon is cooking too quickly or slowly. Also, periodically drain any excess grease to keep your griddle clean and prevent the bacon from becoming soggy. To achieve that ultimate crispy texture, consider gently pressing the bacon with a bacon press or a sturdy spatula while it cooks. This helps flatten the strips and ensures maximum contact with the hot griddle. You will know your bacon is perfectly done when it turns a beautiful golden brown and the fat has rendered transparent. Once cooked to your liking, carefully remove the bacon from the griddle and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any remaining grease. Now for the best part, serving your delicious griddle bacon. It is fantastic served immediately as a side with eggs, pancakes, or even crumbled into salads and sandwiches. Once you have enjoyed your meal, remember to let the griddle cool down completely before cleaning. Then, scrape off any food particles and wash it thoroughly with warm, soapy water and a non-abrasive scrubber. Proper cleaning ensures your griddle is ready for your next culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.